đâu. Tín đúng rồi, hai bạn đáp tranh đủ rồi.
Đi chuột ơi.
Đi chuột rồi, tín nó bố.
To think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much, until I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide, someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside, just for a while. Some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. That's all days, now that we see each other. Can we slow down, start over? Come closer. Oh, someday we will collide, someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside, just for a while. Some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. It's perfect, but we are perfect together. Oh, together. No one's perfect, but we are perfect together. Oh, together.
Night fades like a whispered song as time rushes on. Oh, it won't be long, fading now into a memory, a picture on the wall, the moment frozen up to fall. In this moment, forever be, in this moment,
the colors. Summer love, lonesome love, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. And tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Tell me love, memories washed in every shade of green, all the colors. Summer love, remember the lazy river day canoes, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove.
Many drinks and all of a sudden I'm a mess. Falling asleep in the passenger side and I feel just like a kid. Could you help me out of it? Could you help me out of this? Coming to when I get in the shower, but I'm still halfway dressed. Searching around till I knock something down and you come rushing in. You ask if I'm alright.